In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove these fuel return lines on a BMW using basic tools. Now, to get the fuel return line off, I'm just going to show you what I use. Here is a trim tool. It's got a nice angle on the side of it. And I just use it to slide that up out of the way, which leaves that in a position where it can be pulled up then. I'm just going to do that across the mall. So once you have the clips off, you gently push up to get them past. If you see that, they're starting to spread. You don't want to break them, so you just gently hold up. And then camera is losing focus, and then pull up. That is one of them safely removed. Now I'll try and zoom in and give you the best shot I can on this one. So I'm gently rocking it to try and lift it off the seat. And that should be good. Yep. That's that one. That's that one. And if you look there was very little pressure I actually applied. Like, even though I was here, there was no fear of any damage happening to this, because I'm literally putting no pressure on that. I'm just making sure that the clips that retain it down in there get leveraged out of the way, so this can come off. So that's how you safely remove those, and you won't have any break.